What's up, everyone? Can you see? Can you see the sunshine? Can you see the blue sky? I can. This looks a bit different from the other videos where I'm basically in my room, in my studio, but today, at least for a few days, I'll be pet sitting. So I'm in a different place, which is really cool because I can work outside and it's summertime still, so it's perfect. And it's also perfect for the subject of this video, because in today's video I'm going to be making a summer crochet sweater. I know it sounds crazy to call it like a summer sweater, but basically the idea is to make something that has like long sleeves but with a bunch of holes in it, so then of course the air can come through, but with a very cute pattern, and you can wear with like a black top under it or maybe a white top. And the nice thing about this sweater, summer sweater, is that you can use in multiple ways. Like, you don't need to necessarily wear it as a summer like sweater. You can also wear it for autumn time, like actually wearing something thinner under it, or you can put on top of something else, like you can put like a nice warm coat on top of it and also wear it during winter. It is also perfect for spring as well, so it is a super versatile kind of item. I don't know if that kind of thing exists, like a summer sweater. Pretty sure it does, but to me it's something different. So to me it's my invention, even though it might be already there, it's my invention. So I think it's a super cute thing to try, because like you're not going to be attached to an item that you're going to be only wearing once, like a few times during some specific like season. You can wear it in all the seasons if you know how to style it, and I can even show you how to style it in different seasons. That's not a problem. Also, about this video, this is not a tutorial video because I'm still a beginner, so I don't think I can still teach how to make this. I'm just basically following my instincts, but basically I can show you how I make the pattern, like the design of the top, which is super simple, and I'm just not showing you how I'm gonna be making the sweater itself, because I'm still figuring it out how I'm gonna be doing that. So something interesting about this video is this, because as my husband just suggested, this is a CroVlog, which is me making something made of crochet plus a vlog in the countryside, which is basically my in-laws' house. And yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. So basically I have been working already on this. I've made this so far. This is the pattern I'm gonna be using, which is basically like shells, single crochet on top, bubbles, shells, single crochet, bubbles, and that's pretty much it. For this video we're gonna be using this material, which is basically some balls of yarn and a 3.5 or 4 millimeter hook. For this sweater I'm gonna be using acrylic yarn, and if you want to make something super summery you can just get something made of cotton instead of acrylic, because it's gonna be heavier. But if your intention is the same as mine, which is wearing this sweater in different seasons, the acrylic one is better because it can protect you a bit more, and still great for summer because of the holes and stuff. So that's basically it. So let's go to work. Something I forgot to mention is that this pattern here, I didn't find this pattern anywhere. I've seen so many ideas they look exactly the same on Pinterest, because I wanted to make a summer crochet top and I went to Pinterest to have some ideas, and they're all like the same stuff. Like, they all have the same pattern. This one here I will show you, like even just like scrolling you just basically see the same pattern. I don't want to make something that is already there. Like, as a beginner I suck because I want to make my own stuff even though I don't know how to make them very well, so that's another story. But I came up with that because it's already things I've done in some previous projects like bags and and the other top I made the other day, I basically decided to bring shells and bubbles into something with holes and create this sweater, because I was like, these are two things I want to do and I know how to do, and I'm gonna put them together. So that's pretty much it. So basically that's why I say it's my pattern, because I did it in different ways until I got to what I liked, which is this one. So now you're gonna get a CroVlog until the end of this video, which is super fun because I am in a super cool place. Crocheting on Sunday. That's awesome. It's hot today. It's like 29 degrees today and I'm dying. But I'm improving, as you guys can see. Have all this done. Whoop. And still a little bit more to go.
What I mean by pet sitting. Oh, Danny. Oh, Danny. Come here. Come.
Grass? Grassy grass. Oh. She lies.
Oh.
You know you will be on my video, right?
Who else?
You wear?
They call me Mr. Corona.
Okay. So I finished the back of the sweater, and I recently started the front, and I don't know how long I'm gonna take now to finish the front, but I hope that I can do that until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, I guess. So this is basically it. This is how much I can crochet in 2 hours. This is nothing, and this is a shame. And I I feel terrified because that means I will not finish this today. I'm like, why does it always have to be like this? Why do I always have to run against time? Look at this cutie pie. Hmm? You can hear her purring. Yes, you can.
Oh.
I have some of the sweater on Sabrina right now, and this is how it is looking like at the moment. But I'm trying to strategize now the front. That is going to be a fun activity to try. So after thinking a bit, I think I might try to do one of the sleeves, or maybe both of them right now, because I think it would be easier to understand what I'm gonna do with the front. Because I think just by doing the front, I might have some problems, some issues attaching the sleeves later, because I think the designs, the pieces are not gonna get together. If I have the sleeves there, I will be able to understand what I can do, because right now I am a bit clueless. That's it, you know, let's get back to crochet. What have I got myself into? Being a beginner sucks. That's all I'm gonna say. So after hours and hours and hours of me doing this thing, it's ready. There it is. That's the jumper. I haven't weaved in the ends yet, but I don't have time for that. So just basically I did finish when I should have. And the last day that I have to do something, I will be editing this video you'll be watching right now, so I will weave in the ends at some point in this lifetime. So this is it. This is the front, and this is the back. This is the back. Look, it looks pretty decent, okay? It looks pretty decent for my first jumper. And I'm okay with it. Reveal time. I'm gonna walk in. That's it. That's me summer sweater. Woo. Now that I'm wearing it, I love it. I love it. It's really cool. It's really fantastic. It's really, I don't know, it's like so yummy. And yeah, like I'm gonna say it wasn't easy to make because I wasn't following any pattern, and I wasn't following any pattern at all. I was also not following a motif like I did the way my brain was telling me to do, which is good for me because as a beginner, like you always want to follow a pattern so then you know what you're doing. I didn't do that. I was like, I don't want to do that right now. Like, I want to take the extra mile here. I want to do my thing. And that's what I did. Of course, I had to look to some of the jumpers I have at home to try to understand how it can make this, this and that. But besides that, I did my own thing. Also, I have to talk about the difficulties of this jumper besides not knowing exactly what I was doing. The sleeves were so goddamn hard. I think I restarted the sleeves at least 5 times each. Basically gave up on putting sleeves on this top slash vest thing because I didn't know how to attach them. As that this part here, like I think the size is very good. This was intentional just in case someone asks, whether you will. And that's it. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel. We're growing, that's great. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'm there as foxxiestore. And hope to see you in my next video.